Hey guys, today we're going to be working on dividing decimals by decimals. Again, a little tip, when you're adding and subtracting decimals, you do want to line up your decimals. When you are multiplying or dividing, you do not line up your decimals. If you don't know that, write it down every time you see a video. That way you can remember it. All right, so I chose this problem because it's a little harder. You have a number here with a decimal, without a decimal, and one with a decimal. It doesn't change the rules. So first step is you're going to draw your little house, what they call it, your division. And you're going to put first number inside. So 52, it doesn't change anything. Second number outside. So again, these are my little rules. If you want to write it down, it's first number inside, second number outside. It's just a cute little rhyme just to help you remember. All right, so second thing we do. So step one, first number inside, second number outside. Step two is you need to move the decimal. So where is our decimal? Well, we have a decimal right here, and we need to move it. So we're going to move it one place to the right. And then you look at this number and it's a whole number and you say, well, where's the decimal there? Well, you have to know that automatically there's an imaginary decimal always at the end. So if you do not see a decimal, you need to place the decimal and it's automatically at the end. So since we moved the decimal one time, we are going to move it one time here. Now, do we leave this alone like this? No, we have to put a 0 in its place, and then we're going to bring up the decimal to its right place. Again, if you like to, you can write it down differently if this helps you without the decimal so you do not get confused. Go for it. I'm going to continue on my first diagram just so nobody gets confused. All right, so let's get to the division part. So for instance, here is 4. So can 4 go into 5? Yes. One time. You get 4, you subtract, and you get 1. Can we have a remainder? No. So we need to bring it down. So bring down the 2. So now, can 4 go into 12? Yes, 3 times. Make sure you're lining up your decimals, your numbers correctly. The 3 has to go over the 2 since we are working with the 2. All right, so 4 times 3 equals 12 and 0. So I got zeros as my remainder. Am I done? No, you are never done until you have 0 as your remainder and you have brought down all your numbers. We did not bring down that 0 yet, so we are not done. So I brought down the 0. So now, does 4 go into 0? Yes, 0 times. 0, and now you are done. So final answer, it could be written as 130.0, or you could just write 130. Because the decimal is at the end, it is basically a whole number, and that is your final answer. All right, guys, drop a comment. Tell me, was this hard or easy? Thumbs up or thumbs down. Thanks. Have a good day.